Hello folks, Jethro coming to you live from Redwater Dodge, home of the world famous Rig Ready Rams. Now we buy a Ram and the brand new Rig Ready approves, or everyone gets approved. You know what, I just want to stop, take a moment here and talk to you guys about some of the services that we provide here at Redwater Dodge. Obviously everybody knows about our Rig Ready Rams. Rig Ready Rams, just like this one with the lifts and the tires and the rims and the beautifulness. It's awesome, but we don't really talk about the dualies very often, and I'm going to tell you right now, they're just as customizable as the single rear wheel, and maybe even more because they're just gorgeous. But you can get the rims and the tires and the flaps and boards, which this one doesn't have, but we'll get them here pretty quick. And you can get rims on the back as well, your dually rims, and then the big wide mud flaps on the back so it doesn't chew up all your paint, and then box liners and fifth wheel prep. Lights on the hood, really anything that you can imagine we can do on these things. And we have full Mopar service here as well. Lots of mechanics. We work on new ones for whatever you need, any kind of warranty issues, and we work on the used ones as well. Maybe you need a lift or just an oil change. We do it all. Financing is available on all this stuff, which is super awesome. So maybe you didn't buy it from us brand new, but you want to come in and you want to rig ready it? Well, come on in, we can finance you. We're here to help you out. Let us know what we can do. We're making some sweet vehicles right now. Maybe you want one. So come on down, give us a call, check us out online. It's a great place.